Hello guys, today I'm very excited to share with you my Christmas present. Actually, I think that is the best present I ever had. So what I got here, that is DJI MINI 2 Fly More Combo, Bundle Fly More Combo. So that is ultra light drone, 249 grams. And now I'm going to do unpacking. So actually I'm a new drone user. I never used it before. So I'm just beginner and we'll learn tomorrow how to fly with a drone. What do we have here? We have a nice bag. It's a bit heavy, I would say, but it looks like waterproof. So let's see. What is it indicated here? That is made of polyester. Okay, now let's open this bag. But I think it would be very comfortable. First, we have here accessories. So we have extra propellers here, and actually, no, they are the same, A and B. Okay, so 3 pairs of propellers here. Then we have this tiny thing that is for controller. And this should be a screwer. Yes, tiny screwer. I think that is for propellers. And that's it here. Then in the main apartment we have drone itself. So I'll put it here aside for now. And actually here we have different compartments. I think that drone will be pretty safe here in this bag, so it will be protected. Then we have here controller. It's very nice, not too heavy. So it shows you if it is charged or not. Here we have 3 modes: normal, sport, and cine. And there we have this tiny thing to insert charger here, and then here place where we put our phone. Then we have another accessories. So here I think we have extra battery. So yeah, this set has 3 and 2 extras here. And actually this drone can fly for 30 minutes. So it's great that you have extra chargers. And so that is, excuse me, the chargers, batteries. So here are batteries. And here we have adapter power, that is charger. That is a connector. And this is USB, probably for charger. So I think that is it, what we had in the bag. Oh no, we also have, I think, instructions. Yeah, so we have quick starter guide. We have instruction to charge, and then we have disclaimer and safety guidelines. So now let's have a look to the drone itself. So we see that propellers are protected here. And then we have also this nice thing to hold all the propellers. Here is a camera, that is 4K camera. And that's it, because I cannot tell you anything more because I'm new to drones, so probably I will make a video of drone drive later. Finally, I found how to open this holder for my phone, and actually I was a little bit frustrated because I couldn't connect firstly my iPhone. So here it says that it has 3 cables, but what I received in the back was only 2. So I wonder where is the 3rd cable, and it figured out that it is hidden here. So here I have it already connected. So let's insert iPhone and see how it will look like. So now you can connect your phone, and then to continue work or play with your drone, you need to install a special app, and what I will do it right now. So thank you, bye.